Coming to the social network analysis NPTEL Assignment 1 Week 1. Social network analysis cannot be used in the healthcare domain. The answer is false. In an egocentric network, the central node is called the alter and the neighbors are egos. The central unit is known as ego and neighbors are alter. What is the time complexity to check if an edge exists between two vertices I and j using adjacency matrix? Because we can directly check whether there is an edge or not by using the adjacency matrix, so the order is 1. How can you represent an undirected graph using the adjacency matrix? Using symmetric matrix. How many edges are there in the undirected graph with the 19 nodes? 171. Which of the following best describes an edge in a hypergraph? Can connect any number of vertices, including possibly more than 2. Which of the following is not a type of network analysis? Megascopic. Here we are having the adjacency graph, and we have to find out what is the adjacency matrix. So wherever there is an edge, you have to represent it 1, and where there is no edge, we can represent it as 0. So this is the right option. What is the characteristic property of many real-world networks in terms of node connectivity? Scale-free. Which of the following is not a link-centric view of the network? Echo network. So now you can submit your answers. The last day to submit the assignment is 7 August 2024. So these are the answers for the social network analysis Week 1 assignment.